What's up guys? Today I'm unboxing this new Cyma M4 QBS that I got from evike.com from one of their lightning sale. So let's see what we got. So the gun comes in with this cleaning and unjamming rod. Everyone should have that already. It's really useful. This, don't need that, of course, obviously. Plastic BBs, I don't know what kind of weight they are, so probably just throw them away. Don't mix it with your, if you have a ammo box for your BBs, don't mix it with that. Just throw this away, just they might ruin your gun. Comes in this Allen key, okay, and one mid cap. Yep. Pretty nice. They made it clear. Okay, that's a nice touch. And the gun itself, of course, I do live in America, so this comes in with a orange tip. I believe the M-LOK is made out of aluminium, and this a QD sling mount right here and one in the stock. The stock kind of looks mediocre to me, but it serves its purpose. And more sling mounts right here. The select fire, let's see how it, not much clicking there, but I guess that's okay. And I thought this gun is gonna come in with a ambidextrous mag release, but it doesn't look like it. Kind of pointless having that grooves right there. I guess they just wanted to making the gun look cool. So let's take out the gun. Alright, so here it is. Very slim. This comes in with a own flip-up sight and a rear sight. Very clicky. I like that. I'm not a fan of this kind of a rear sight apertures. I don't really like it. It's not my cup of tea. And let's see how it looks. Aim it. Yep. Of course, you know, when you're looking into your naked eye, it's gonna look a lot different when you look closer, but yeah. And I believe the body is polymer, the lower and the upper receiver. The trigger, I wish they made a flat trigger instead of this curved one. I'm probably gonna replace that with an aftermarket flat trigger. And the trigger guard is enlarged, so that's kind of cool. Usually you can replace it, but looks like this one is built in. So, and the pistol grip is really large, you can tell. So people with smaller hand might have trouble fully gripping this gun. I got a big hand, so it's almost perfect for me. And let's see how it looks like with a magazine in there. Clicks in really good. There you go. Bloop. So I'm gonna put a battery in it. Let's see how it fires out of the box. I don't have a chrono, and we'll see the fire rate of it with a 11.1. So I'm gonna cut and put my own battery in it. Let's see how that works. So I'm back, and what I really like about this stock, it is kind of cheap, you know, plastic, all that good stuff, QD mount. But what I really like is this. It is rubberized butt stock, but how you access your battery compartment, you just press this down, and it reveals your small type Tamira connector, put a 11.1 in there. So let's see how the fire rate goes. So let's do some semi first. Let's see how that goes. Okay, pretty good. It doesn't have that reset click you actually hear from other airsoft guns. Really snappy. I love that. You just don't hear the regular motor like in other AEGs out there. You hear that long motor before it actually shoots your BB out. This one is just click. Nice. And let's try full auto. Okay. Put it back. Right, that rips. So probably don't burn someone's patch, you know? You don't get a BB full of BBs in your back. And here's the other side. Huh, it's weird. It kind of has that blue powder in there. I don't know what is that. Let's check out the hop is pretty standard AEG style. Yeah, there's some blue stuff in it. That's weird. I don't know what is that blue stuff. Okay. So there's cuties sling mount on both sides. Yeah. It sucks this gun doesn't come with rail segments. I mean, you know, M-LOK rails. Kind of pointless. I guess I gotta get some of those. And let's see, I do have my old, this is my older gun that I run. It's a dynamic tactical DT-15 multi. It's the pistol variant. You can see it's really worn out. Paint. Yep. And I run a bump mags with this. So let's see. This is the magazines I run with. It looks really similar to the magazine it comes with, but a little older. Same size. Because this one is a. Let's try to focus on that. You know, 5.56x45. It's a like extended mag version of the M4 mag basically, and I can't believe it came with this one too. Basically same. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Let's actually see if it can take my mid cap. So let's see. Clicks in. Ooh, that's 30 in there. So no wobble. Let's see. Yep. It's in there. Mag release. Yeah. Perfect. I really recommend these mags. They're pretty cheap for mid caps, and they hold I think 170 rounds for mid cap. You know, it's good. And that's pretty much it for the review of this gun. I am gonna make a gameplay with this gun. So if you guys want to stay tuned. I'll make a overall, you know, I'll do a chrono test, accuracy test, a rate of fire test with it. So that's it. Yeah. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Loop.